Welcome to the Field of Trucks for Sonic Series 61. Without further ado, let's get right into it. El Toro Loco, orange. El Matador. Hot Wheels Delivery. Crazy Train. The Broker. World Finals. Reptoid. Doomsday. Pastrana 199. Wild Hair. Maximum Destruction. Eliminator. Gravedigger. X-Ray Raising Cane. X-Ray Black El Toro Loco. American Dream. Big Kahuna. Color Tread Son of a Digger. Super Trucker. Destroyer. Primeval. Clydesdale. Avenger. Blue Thunder. Iron Outlaw. Wrecking Crew. Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Anger Management. Annihilator. Vet King. And Hot Wheels 50th. That's the Field of Trucks for Sonic Series 61. I don't know when the series will be, either today or tomorrow. So yeah, bye.